This is what my Walmart office chair did to my LVP flooring. I don't care if there's a razor blade in the seat that pokes me in my butt. 10 out of 10. This is what my Walmart office chair did to my LVP flooring. I didn't know office or gaming chairs could tear up flooring. I learned the hard way. Now, I work from home. I'm over 200 pounds, and I was sitting in this chair all day long for work until one day I realized it was destroying my floors. And apparently, they make chairs designed to not tear up your floors. I don't know if I can get back up. This is apparently the culprit. Cheap plastic and then that big gap in the middle. Office or gaming chair for big people that won't tear up my floors. Let's check out Ewin Racing. That champion series is looking kind of good. I'm a champion. Well, let's see, up to 6'5" check, up to 400 pounds check. Gives me a little growing room there. Let's see what we have here. Durability carbon steel frame, complete recliner and tilt adjustability, temperature and pressure sensitive cold cure foam core, innovative materials. Okay then. Heavy duty reinforced ADC12 aluminum wheelbase. I'm a big feller. I need some heavy duty wheelbase. Heavy duty class 4 hydraulics. You're gonna need some heavy duty hydraulics to lift me up and down. Innovative groundbreaking gaming chair features, designed to handle 400 pounds of gaming excellence. 4D integrated lumbar support. That's good. I like me some lumbar support along with that lumbar pillow. Magnetic armrest. My understanding is you can swap those out if necessary. Not only do these armrests raise up, but you can also extend them out. Magnetic memory foam head pillow. That's got to be one of my favorite features. You can easily adjust it to where it's comfortable for you because it's magnetic. And here we go. PU padded casters. Ewin hubless casters and dual wheel casters are padded with PU coating to ensure the smoothest rolling capacity. PU coating also protects all kinds of floor from scratches created by chairs using ordinary wheels. Wish I'd have had that sooner. Yes, please. Need 2 people. 10 out of 10. I don't care if the chair even works. I don't care if there's a razor blade in the seat that pokes me in my butt. 10 out of 10. Look at these instructions. That is freaking amazing. These could potentially be the best instructions I've ever seen on anything I've ever put together in my entire life. Great job, Ewin. I just want to go put this in a frame and hang it on the wall in my office. They also give you a user's manual with the entire breakdown. I'm so impressed, and I haven't even seen the chair yet. It is very well packaged. I was a little concerned because I seen a hole in the box too from shipping, but nah. There's so much foam and cushion in here. Nice. Magnetic head pillow. It's a magnet. Oh, look at that. Sticks right to the top. Lumbar support cushion is our base. Magnetic foam armrest. And that is very nice packaging. I'm so impressed with the packaging. Wait, is it just me or all nice things packaged this way and I only buy crap? Could be. Other magnetic armrests. More nicely packaged boxes. This is probably the casters if I had to take a guess. Yep, this is the casters and all the hardware and the tools and the screws accessory box. Tells you everything that's in the box. Looks like there's going to be one big piece here. That's the chair bottom and the pre-attached arms, which I do appreciate that because I'm lazy and that's less work I have to do. Some type of little mallet weapon. I don't know. Let's do this. I'm taking a couple 100 pounds off. That is a big chair because I'm a big dude. They took one look at me and said, we need to send him the XL chair. And I'm not mad. I can't help it. I want to try the magnetic arm. I've been praising them amazing instructions this whole time, yet I haven't bothered to look at them yet, but I'm going to. Oh, wow, cool. Can we see that on camera? Check that out. Magnetic armrest. What does that do? Okay, there's some mechanisms on here that I haven't got to yet. I better read the instructions. Too much? Yeah, you're probably right. Seriously, this Ewin Gaming Champion Series chair rocks. No, literally. It's a rocket chair. Ewin did send me this chair, but I am not being paid and I am not contractually obligated to say nice things. I actually did ruin my floors with a cheap office chair, and that's why I needed this chair. However, as good as this chair or any other chair can be, I would not rely on that alone. What I did initially was I bought some chair floor mats off of Amazon, so that way I won't have any more issues with my floors. So I would use those in conjunction with a really nice chair. This chair is very nice. The construction is super sturdy. The materials are very comfortable. You can pick one up at Ewin's website, and you can use my code RAY for 20% off. Drop a comment below. Let me know what you think about the Ewin gaming chairs. You can help support the channel by liking and sharing the video and subscribing to the channel. Check out some of these other video suggestions. And as always, thank you for watching, and until next time.